Hey, what's up guys, Wildheart back here, and today we are going to be trying the Turbo Togwaggle Puppeteer Dorian Druid deck. I was suggested this deck by you guys, and I was like, you know what? Might as well try it out, because deck 1 looks fun. I've yet to play against it on ladder, but also might be a decent way to get back at, like, Raza Priest, I'm guessing. Which seems pretty dope. Anyways, with all that being said, I don't think I have much else to say. It's Togwaggle Druid. You guys know I'm shit at this deck, but hopefully I'll be better. Alright guys, yeah. So with that being said, let's queue up the first one and let's see how it goes. Alright. The first matchup, this hand looks pretty solid, all things considered. Guff on 5. I know your whole goal is to get Dorian, Cass, Psychmelon, win game. I know it's the general consensus of how this deck kind of plays out. So, try my best to do that. We're looking for cards like Funnel Cake, if I'm not mistaken, and whatnot, to try and do like as early as possible. That card's really good. Yeah, so if I'm not mistaken, what you're looking for is you want basically Aviana, Eonar in your deck. All the other cards, it doesn't really matter. Let's draw the lowest cost, because I want to keep Eonar in the deck. Do this. Oaken Summons is pretty good. Oaken Summons is really good because it pulls Dorian, right? I have a test for Ice Block, or for Counter Spell. So I'm basically Psychmelon away from winning the game. Yeah, I'm Psychmelon away from winning the game. Because the thing is, right, after you pull all this, there's nothing left in your deck, really. I see he still has this, but the old deck is a whole bunch of trash. And you're drawing his, hopefully, more than relevant cards. Let's reduce the cost of spells in my hand by 1. That 17 cards, no Psychmelon draw yet. Okay. I guess it's just use hero power to draw, right? Yeah. Play this, draw some cards. This is actually super good here. It means you can not really play any cards. Alright. We have so much in hand that we just need to draw the one card we want. Like, just give me the fucking Psychmelon. There we go.
You're merely a pawn for the Puppetmaster.
Oh, I forgot that's how this works. Alright, well. I forgot that's how that's worked as well. Whoops. Alright, let's just ramp a whole bunch then. I can't actually do it, I can, but... Do you... Do you...
My hand is full.
Alright. You can complete quests, but I don't think there is... I don't even know what the whole goal of his deck is. I don't see what the point of taking an extra turn is. To be fair, I'm lucky where I don't really have to because I have the mana to prevent it.
Merely a pawn for the Puppetmaster. I'm almost out of
Okay, it's Ignite.
Well done.
Yeah.
You win.
Okay, so it's Ignite Mage. That's what he was playing. Pretty dope, pretty dope. This deck feels silly. Maybe it's because my opponent was giving me all the time in the world, but this deck felt pretty darn silly. Anyways, that being said, let's skip to the next one.
Hazelbark versus Garrosh.
All right.
Challenge the war chief.
Here for a lesson?
Well, this is actually like not the best draw spell in the deck, I find. I'm just gonna keep this. Okay, this hand's pretty darn solid. I can like coin this out on one technically, just so I can do this to ramp twice, especially if I draw Psychmelon. I did hear that apparently this deck is possible to go off on 3. I'm not exactly sure how the guy managed to do it, but I heard that he was able to go off on 3, which is wild. 1 second. Alright, sorry about that. I probably just smashed the shit out of my mic a whole bunch. That was probably really loud. But I currently have a whole bunch of deck boxes in front of my mic. Alright, well, I just slam this. I need card draw. I need card draw or Psychmelon. I can't actually play this, which means it's not an NOR. I guess it could be an NOR angle. Yo, give me that Psychmelon real quick, fuck. I like where that is. Hit me in the face. Fuck. Fuck. That's so bad, because now it's right out of range of this, because it won't overheal. Give me Psychmelon. Give me Psychmelon, holy fuck. Psychmelon just says I win the game. Give me my deck full of bombs and garbage shit. Okay, well. This should draw as might as well play something first. Draw Azalina, play Zilliax. Gain a shitload of mana. Do this, let's get Funnel Cake, let's gain a shitload more mana. Shitload more mana. 6. Let's do this. Do this. Let's do this. Alright, well, that seems like I'm pretty sure I just won the game. I gave him a whole bunch of trash. His fault he ratted me. It's his fault he ratted me. That was completely and utterly silly and should not have been a thing. I will not lie. Yeah, GG. Anyways, let's queue up the next one real quick.
Hazelbark.
Alright, game 3. This is definitely not, like, 8 hours later. Definitely not. By 8, I mean... How long did I clock into work at? 2:30? I have it written down on my phone. Clocked into work, yeah, 2:30. Today, now it's 1:30 almost, so, what is that, 8, 10 hours, 13 hours later? That, definitely not, that would be wild. My brain is dead. So, both of those here. Yeah, my brain is, like, fully on that lag switch, so... Hey, give me an Oaken Summons and make this game easy. I don't know if the rest of the video is going to be longer or shorter than normal. Oh, that's a new one. That is a new one, I will not lie. Got a coin ramp, but I'll say the coin.
Delightful.
I did not expect to see that right now, I'll be honest. Again, as I was saying, my brain is dead. I finished work at 12:30 today when I should have realistically been out of there by 11. So, you know, working an extra hour and a half. And I worked from like 2:30 to 12:30, so I did a 10-hour shift on a day I was probably supposed to work like 8 hours max. And I have to be back at work tomorrow at 10 a.m., so... I'm going to enjoy the rest of this warm-ish beer that I currently have sitting on my desk. And then I'm going to switch over to that hard shit because, honestly, I kind of... Fuck. I kind of want to die. And if you guys know me and you guys know how I talk, me wanting to die it's nothing new. It's kind of how I just live everyday life, I'll be honest. Psychmelon can draw Zilliax, right? Because Zilliax is an 8-drop. Pretty sure Psychmelon can draw it. That's fine. It's only a little bit of damage. I'm gonna go Guff here, draws me a card. I can coin Hero Power to ramp. Huh! That's a good one. I want to just draw a card here. I should have arguably ramped, but I have this to ramp some more. And I can do this plus this next turn, and then if I draw properly, I win the game. If I don't draw properly, well, fuck. It is what it is. Oh, that's pretty good. That's a lot of stats real quick that he just summoned. Alright, well, I'm going for this here. Azalina Togwaggle? Beautiful. Refresh me mana crystals. Do this. Okay. I was gonna slowly start picking down his board. But I'll take the dub. I'll take the dub. I don't know if I necessarily would have won that game, but I'll take it. Anyways, with that being said, let's queue up the next one real quick. Alright, guys? Yeah, I'll see y'all there.
Malfurion versus Anduin. The light shall bring victory.
The nightmare shall end.
Alright. Well, I'll really keep these two cards. Sorry, I just got added by someone random on Facebook. I looked down on my phone as I was queuing into the game. It's like, oh, someone added you on Facebook. And it's someone that's using a new fucking... Apparently there's new types of accounts on Facebook where you don't have to go by your name, which I thought was like the whole goal of Facebook. I won't lie. And like, first image, it looked like someone I knew, so I'm like, I'll scroll to see anything. First thing I see is like, I create a WhatsApp group for sex. I'm like, fuck that shit. Anyways, on hopefully better news. This game refresh mana crystals. I can't just cheat code this. Okay. Also, I guess I kind of want to talk about my day at work because my day at work today was fucking awful. I don't know if me saying the fact that I stayed an hour and a half longer than I realistically should should probably sum up to that, but I burnt the shit out of my thumb and my pointer finger on my left hand, and I cut the shit out of my pinky on my right hand. All within 30 minutes. All while doing my clothes. So now, you know how you have that joint on your pinky, the bottom one? My cut goes from my palm up that first joint onto the side of the other joint. So it's like a solid, like, inch long of nothing but just cut. And I tell you what, it hurts like a bitch. Fuck. It's awful. And then, like, I have a huge blister on my pointer finger on my other hand. Anything but Psychmelon, I'm fine. He took Psychmelon. Alright. That works for me. This is all fine and dandy. I need to draw Oaken Summons or Puppetmaster.
Freedom is fleeting. Your will is whim.
Or actually, if I'm being honest, I have... Pretty sure... I think this works. Right, if I do this, runs me up to 9, this, 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 this.
Children fill the skies. I bestow these gifts upon the world.
We be taking this now. His kobold way.
So is in my hands.
I should have coined first.
The virtue of the wild.
That's pretty good! Oh, this deck feels fair and balanced. Why does this deck feel absolutely busted? Fuck. It feels like it's just busting on my opponents. Fuck. Oh, please don't tell me that the next meta is just gonna be Raza Priest and Togwaggle Druid, because I don't think I can deal with that. I'll be honest. I don't want to go back to a Togwaggle meta. I'm just getting flashbacks of the fucking old Tony meta, for those who remember that. Fuck. Just fucking Vietnam flashbacks. Fuck. Oh my god, this is not... This ain't ideal, I won't lie. Anyways, let's queue up the next game. Alright, okay. Maybe this is, Secret Mage?
I will heed
Ow!
the eternal forest.
Me dead. Okay, that just woke me the fuck up, I won't lie. I was just rubbing my hands together, you know, like the old fucking Birdman shit, and, just pulled back on the flesh of the cut on my hand. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's bleeding again. Okay, this is fun. Fun times, you know? I hate my life. It's okay. I just have to start mixing shit with salt tomorrow at 9 o'clock in the morning, 10 o'clock in the morning, wherever the fuck I get in. I'm gonna go lie down in traffic right now. Don't mind me. Oh, fuck. This cut's hurt like a bitch. It's like, it's one of those cuts that feels like a fucking paper cut, you know? So it's bad. It's the furthest thing from fucking pleasant that you can imagine. Is this? What the fuck? Oh, okay. Alright, let's see how this goes. Oh my god. Anyways, on good news, it's not about me hurting myself, because that's funny to both me and you guys, I hope. I promise. I know my promise ain't worth much recently, because my life has been super fucked. But I promise I am going to start streaming Skylanders Sunday night. This Sunday coming up, promise I'm going to start streaming it. If not earlier. I would like to start earlier, but I have no guarantees because I also know how much I work, and my work schedule is beyond fucked. Alright, well, looks like we're planning on going off in 2 turns. I have Psychmelon to draw the majority of the combo. Plus I have this to draw low. Again. So, I'll be at 9. I can go Psychmelon, which puts me down to 5. Coin, Lightning Bloom. Back up to 9, so I have to wait 1 more turn, I guess. Let's say draw Aviana here, in which case I can just go off, but they're trying Aviana here. Guess I'll just put this here. Honestly, I would have gained 1 mana, so I was at 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 that I see from here, so I couldn't actually cast this. I should have played it probably last turn, but it is what it is. What? Well,
What do you want standing around for?
I didn't mean to click on that. I meant to click on his face. Okay, so I guess it's just this turn that I go off. Couldn't really go off with the fucking, what is the name of that card? King whatever in play. Swamp King Dread. So, yeah. Sorry, I had to blow my nose there. Alright, well. What the fuck is this hand?
Time waits for no one. Warlord and Wheel.
Alright. I have no idea what the fuck this hand is, but there's a Psychic Conjuring, a Yashard, a Scrapyard Colossus. Okay, okay. I think I could beat the fact that I gave him a Guff and a... gave him a Guff and some Wild Growths? Maybe a Moonlit Guidance? Fuck. I think I could beat that. Oh my god, what the every game is just checkmate, fuck. Apparently I'm too good at this fucking game. Anyways, I have no idea what amount of time I've been recording for based on this recording and next recording. So I'm gonna play one more game to keep it safe and whatnot. So let's queue up another one, I guess? Yeah, I'll see y'all there.
Malfurion versus the Thunder King!
Alright! He's a Slayer of Kings and Gods. What do you forget is that I'm more than a god, fuck. Maybe I should have kept Togwaggle, but I don't completely know, therefore I won't make that decision. Okay, there's my Dorian. I'm gonna pour myself a drink real quick, so I'm gonna be quiet so the mic doesn't pick it up. What the fuck is that? I haven't seen that card ever, fuck. Ow! I'm picking up the fucking bottle of cran with my fucking hand that is burnt. Just grabbed it with my 2 fingers that are burnt right now, and like, oh my god, that was rough. Anyways, I'm about to pour the rest of my drink, so I'll be quiet again. Alright, vodka cran poured. Alright. Let's see this here. Take the ram. And I'll draw low. Double Lightning Bloom is actually not bad. If I do draw Dorian, or if I do draw, sorry, not Dorian, but Psychmelon, I'm in a really, really good position. I'm actually worried for this game because
Enemies of nature, beware.
I'm worried because I'm about to get fucking domed for a lot of damage in the next couple turns. Unless I draw Psychmelon here, I'm a little bit worried. And even if I draw Psychmelon here, Zilliax kind of fucks everything up if I don't draw Tog. His armor doesn't affect me, really, because I'm jacking his deck, and he has a deck full of nonsense, and I have a board of decent-sized minions, I'll be honest, so... I picked that here solely because I feel like it's slightly better than Tog. I just smashed the burn part of my... Alright, so... I don't think I talked about this either. I burnt the shit out of the hand that I have cut on the pinky. The figure right next to it. I burnt the fuck out of the knuckle on that hand. And I just slammed that against my headset. Just like rubbing it. And peeled off a shitload of skin off my knuckle, and it fucking sucks. Oh, I'm fucked, huh? Shoot your own guy? Not one of the good ones, sadly. Alright, well...
You're merely a pawn
I don't know if I actually have a chance at winning this game because this board has a shitload of stats.
My winged children feel the skies.
Oh yeah, no, I can just reset my health.
The virtue of the wild. I bestow these gifts upon the
We be
world.
taking this now. His kobold ways.
Your soul is in my
You
hands.
surprise me. How unusual.
What the fuck is this?
For no one.
The magic of life.
You surprise me. How unusual.
Enemies of nature, beware!
Alright,
I already bear too many cards.
let's see how he plays this out. I'm curious. I think Bloodlust might still kill me. I don't know if it still does. If it does, GG. If not, it does. Huh. Oh, well, I tried. You know, the one game I lost, he had an insane start. But also, I mean, hey, it is what it is. I feel like I lose that game 1 game out of 1,000,000 where he actually has the coin 1 to buff his cards in his hand and he buffs the fucking totem to like 10/10 and whatnot. But hey, honestly, I am omega happy with how this deck turned out and how this deck played out. This deck felt absurdly broken, I'll be honest. Dorian is way too good of a card in this deck particularly. And if you ever wanted to learn Togwaggle, I feel like today is the day. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it at that because this deck was broken beyond belief. Anyways, with that being said, I need to get to bed because I need to be up in 6 hours, so I need to edit this, upload this, and go to bed. And I'm sleeping in the same room as my computer, therefore, to wait for it to be done uploading in order to go to bed. So that means I'm in bed in there, like an hour, 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So I'm gonna do that real quick, and I'm gonna go pass out, sleep for a couple hours, and then go to work, and then come home and do it all over again. Anyways, with all that being said, I hope you guys all enjoyed. If you guys did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe as always. Follow me on Twitch and Twitter. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys all on the next one. Alright, guys? Yeah. Peace.